A utility project that gets its own groundbreaking ceremony? Find out why in the March 2025 issue of MSW magazine. But first, a message from NASTT. The No Dig Show is the largest trenchless technology conference in the world. Engineers, contractors, and other professionals will learn new techniques that will save money and improve infrastructure. From the exhibit hall and networking events to the peer-reviewed technical paper presentations, if you're doing trenchless, you need to be at No Dig. Visit nastt.org/no-dig-show and register today. In our cover story, Lynchburg's Blackwater CSO tunnel is blasting through deep rock formations 120 feet underground, capturing 4.7 million gallons of overflow. Paired with upgraded treatment capacity, it will cut CSO volume by a whopping 98% and ahead of schedule. South Alabama Utilities revolutionized wastewater management with decentralized systems, combining septic tanks, small-diameter sewer lines, and modular treatment plants. This cost-effective, scalable solution spurred economic growth, serving 4,000 customers and counting. Find out how Denver Water tackles lead service line replacement with innovative strategies, including trenchless technology, community engagement, and federal funding. If you're in the market for a video inspection system, turn to page 28. The handy chart will help narrow down your choices by your specific application. Ensure compliance with OSHA's confined space, lockout, tagout, and PPE training requirements to safeguard your team. If it hits the ground, it hits the sound. This is the message from Tacoma's Environmental Services Department. See how they use murals, film festivals, and photo contests to educate residents on stormwater pollution to make Puget Sound clean and safe. Learn about innovative solutions for pipeline challenges in the case studies, including styrene-free UV-cured resin for restaurant drain lines, epoxy coatings in cold climates, and software to streamline city inspections. Explore advanced pipeline cleaning and inspection technologies in this month's product focus. Check out this high-definition sewer inspection camera from Q's. It features backward compatibility, coaxial cable durability, and 1080p HD video up to 4,000 feet. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.